Today I will teach you how to make a paper helicopter out of two materials, your paper and a scissors. Okay, take the scissors, you're going to cut the short end of the paper. About 3 inches out, no, about 2 inches out. And you're going to take about 3 inches off one end. So you got this shape. Okay. You're going to cut it right down the middle, about 3-4 inches. And you're going to take it right there. And right there. Okay? Make sure that those two are even. And you're going to fold that side in. Unfold it. No, keep it folded and fold that one in right there. And this is the hard part. You have to twist it like you got something like that. Take it off, about the end off. You're gonna fold these one end toward you, one end away from you. Then you're gonna make it all flat, like that. See, that flies, and it's not that fast to make. So that one I made in 2 seconds. This one I made in about 5 minutes. It flies really well. See, it's all smooth and all straight. And this one's top's flat. It spins really well if you drop it from a high surface, and it looks really cool.